Nĩ kurumirira uthukangia munene wa mititu guku bururi-ini kuria thirikari yoire ikinya ria kumigitira kuhitukira mukana wa utemi wa miti wa mieri 3. Mukana ucio ugacoka kongererwo mieri ingi 6 kutigirira ni twagacirithia maria maturigiciirie. Akiaria ari mwena wa Naikuru hindi ya kurugoria waki wa rugiri mutitu-ini wa Eburu, Minister wa maria maturigiciirie Keriako Tobiko ni arutite mukana ungi wa kugiria utemi wa miti muthemba wa cedar.
The task force recommended the banning. The chairman of KFS has repeated it. We have now, as required by the law, received the scientific opinion from KEFRI, and all of us agree that cedar has to be banned, and the processes towards that are on high gear.
Tobiko ni ugite ikinya riri ni rigutigirira muti muthemba wa cedar ndunahuka, akiuga ni ukoretwo hatikaini ya kuhuka. Akiaria hindi oro iyo, Gavana wa Naikuru Kinyanjui ni ugite kwirigwo kwa mutitu uyu ni gukunina ngucanio ya aikari a mwena ucio na nyamo iria ikoretwo ikithukangia migunda yao.
We are seeing this as a huge potential where we can have camping, we can have people doing treks across the day and team building and all that. And because it is just about half hour from Naivasha town, we believe it is going to be a major attraction, and together with the local communities we'll be able to uplift these greater areas.
Rugiri roro rurakwo kuhitukira gikundi gia Safaricom Foundation. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njitawa Ngari wa Mwangi.